Welcome to our channel. Before we dive into the review, please note that the link to purchase the compatible LC404 ink cartridges for Brother Printer at a discounted price is pinned in the first comment below. Make sure to check it out. These ink cartridges are designed as replacements for the Brother LC404 and LC404 XL series, compatible with models like the MFC J1205W and MFC J1215W printers. This 4-pack includes black, cyan, magenta, and yellow cartridges, providing a complete set for vibrant and clear printing needs. One of the standout features of these cartridges is their high compatibility and the inclusion of the latest smart chip technology. This chip ensures that the printer automatically recognizes the cartridge, making installation hassle-free and reducing error messages. Each cartridge boasts a high page yield of up to 750 pages at 5 coverage, which is excellent for both home and office use, whether you're printing documents, photos, or colorful presentations. Performance-wise, these cartridges deliver sharp, vivid colors and rich blacks that do not fade easily, which is essential for professional-looking printouts. The cartridges are easy to install and are a practical choice for families, schools, hospitals, government offices, and businesses that require reliable and consistent printing quality. On the quality front, these cartridges meet several international standards, including ISO 9001 and ISO 14001, as well as safety and environmental certifications like CE, ROHS, and REACH. This assures users of their safety, environmental friendliness, and manufacturing excellence. Pros: high compatibility with Brother MFC J1205W and MFC J1215W printers. Smart chip for automatic recognition and easy installation. High page yield, up to 750 pages per cartridge. Vibrant, non-fading colors and rich black printing. Environmentally and safety certified manufacturing standards. Comes in a convenient 4-pack covering all basic colors. Cons: as compatible cartridges, there might be slight variations in print quality compared to original Brother cartridges. Some users may experience occasional chip recognition issues, though these are rare overall. These compatible LC404 ink cartridges offer an excellent balance of quality, performance, and value, making them a smart alternative to OEM cartridges. Don't forget, the link to grab these cartridges at a discount is pinned in the first comment, so be sure to check it out before you go.